Hey guys, Sylvia here. So welcome to my channel guys, and welcome to my ultimate Facebook traffic trick training review. Okay, so we are inside of the members area of ultimate Facebook traffic trick training by Mark Hess. Okay guys, I have just finished going through the training, 100% complete. Amazing training. I mean, why did I not review it a few days ago when it first launched? I have no idea, but sometimes we, when you're too busy, you miss out on, on pure gold, okay? On pure gold. Wow, what a training. Anyhow, Mark Hess is a vendor I absolutely love, okay? I bought his products, his training course called Vertical desktop videos before with the only upsell that it comes with. I bought the front end and the upsell, and I joined this mastermind group, which is the upsell, and it is also the upsell of this, his second since I discovered him. He has released quite a few products in the past, but to this training you will have this as an upsell as well. So cool upsell, just a mastermind class where you brainstorm, share your ideas, get inspiration, motivation, stuff like that. But let me go back to this actual training course. So he is really going to give you like a trick, that will allow you to drive more traffic to whatever you want to promote, maybe to your lead magnet in order to grow your email list, to your website, to your blogs, to whatever really. Some more targeted traffic using Facebook algorithms. And he's going to show you how to create a Facebook group, but not a typical Facebook group. Okay, that you have to be active, engage, have your members comment, like, this and that. No, that's going to be more like sort of passive, yet still be driving traffic thanks to the hacks, okay, and they are all legit hacks, okay. Check it out how he talks about it on the sales page. Okay guys, here in this 2 minutes video, loving the sales page, by the way, short and sweet, effective, to the point, no BS. Okay, I love this sort of stuff. Yeah, so the link to the sales page will be right below my review. I am totally promoting it. I'm giving you some bonuses, guys, if you pick it up from me. And also if you join the mastermind, pick up any of the upsells, but I think there are only like 2 upsells. Yeah, I'll show you the upsells in a sec. If you pick up any of them on top of the freebies that I'm already, many freebies I give you access to, you can also schedule a call with me. And if you actually join this mastermind group, which is OTO number 1 or 2, something like that, you will find me there. I am pretty active, and I will be more active with my YouTube shorts. And I'm talking about it, about that I will start creating YouTube videos. And I will. I have not yet started yet because I'm just too crazy busy. Even like the launch like this, skipped my attention for some reason. And I was like, oh my days, it's like almost the end of the launch. I think it launched, let me check, on the 3rd or 4th of February. Today is the 8th of February. But, luckily, fortunately, I kind of realized, hey, there was this great training by Mark Hess. It's I have not watched it or reviewed it yet, but today is the day. I've just gone through the training. It's 4 videos, guys, but straight to the point. And it's well, you got the script below the video, so it's nicely done in it. I think it's actually hosted on SOOOOO. SOOOOO is another cool, great platform you start for free with. And Mark actually talks about in this mastermind group about using SOOOOO a lot. And this is the platform I'm very intrigued by. I don't use it myself as such, but I am actually thinking of switching from GetResponse as my main autoresponder to actually SOOOOO, because I'm loving it. There's many reasons for it, but it's not for now. sorry if I'm being a bit chaotic, but you know, it's because I'm quite excited about this training. So guys, we'll check out the sales page. He says here, but I'll let you, you know, watch the video. The link to it will be below my review for sure. Okay. For yourselves, okay, and it's now on like a dime sale. So this code here is automatically applied. We'll go to the checkout, you know, just make sure it's still at the lowest price possible. It's still during the launch, okay, but he says on the sales page, so this is the ultimate Facebook traffic trick, which produced, you know, almost $300 in recurring affiliate commission. So it's not like an exaggerated number. Mark has tested this method himself. He has just started it, okay, and he's already started getting these recurring commissions, and it's like he's gonna grow and grow and grow from there. What I love is like how down to earth the figure is. You know, he's like, okay, I have discovered something, it works. Let me create a training, and the way he delivers the training is just, I don't know, it's just, there's something very, very cool about the way he does it, and it's very real, okay? He keeps it real raw, and I just appreciate it so much. Alright, so watch this video. It's 2 minutes, just over 2 minutes, guys, and some like, you know, happy testimonials from people who have already got it. And he talks about on the sales page, you know, everything is is done in his own words. So, you know, I love it. And he says like, it's not complicated. It's like, it's absolutely for anyone. So you do not need Facebook friends or following. You do not need to show your face or use your voice. You do not need to contact, message, or engage with people. It's more like, you know, this group is more like a website, and you put in the right keywords and all of that when creating this group, and it really, really does the job. I mean, because Facebook loves groups, not so much pages. Like personally, I have not created a group as such, because I thought, oh my goodness, I'll have to be like so active and like, you know, inviting people in and all of that hassle. I don't have the time for it. Facebook, oh no, I don't have the head for it. But when he really, really in this training shares something that I was not aware of, okay, I was like, I'm doing it myself today, okay, I'm probably gonna set it up this evening. And so cool being like, you know, part of this effortless private mastermind group as well, because he actually gave me a free review access, okay, just by being a member of this mastermind group. And he will be, guys, producing more and more training courses in the future, and you're getting the access to them by being part of, you know, a member of this group. So, you know, what an incentive, okay, a huge one. I got lost again. I was here on the sales page. So read through, okay, and he says like, using this method you can promote products as an affiliate. You can, numero uno, okay, you can promote your own products. You can drive traffic to a squeeze page to build your email list. You can drive traffic to your blog or website. You can recruit people into your MLM or business opportunity, right? So whatever you choose to do, I would say be specific. Don't try and spread yourself too thin, or you will end up as a pancake. And I mean it, okay? So think about what would be most beneficial and like financially most beneficial and future-wise as well. Like, you know, what sort of thing you want to do, you would want to use this group for, and do it. Focus on do it, like laser focus, okay, and do it. Keep creating posts, and I'll be taking you through the members area and show you what kind of videos Mark, you know, delivers in this training course. So what he does and all of that. Yeah. Right. Okay. So some testimonials. Here is all reels. Here is specifically from Anthony. I love this guy. Also like a quality vendor himself. I am part of his like Facebook group too. Cool guy. Okay. He says like, guys, if you have not picked up Mark previous training, I personally did. So trust me, this is a no-brainer to pick up. If you on the fence, I am not on the fence, Anthony, anymore. That's for sure. I mean, I've check it out myself. It's like quality, guys, like, you know, seriously, pick it up. It's gonna be one of the best purchases in 2023 and beyond. Right, so let's check out the price. What's the price now, and whether this is yeah, that's Mark, obviously, whether this is automatically applied, I mean the code. Okay, so what's the price now? All right, as you see, the regular price 47, and now you have it on, like, and then it's gone down to 27, and now if with this discount you can actually get it for 12 bucks, guys. So pick it up while it's still on a dime sale, really. Right, so you'll find a link to the sales page below my review, getting my bonuses. They will be delivered right here in your purchase history when you go to affiliate. Let me just show you where you're gonna pick it up. So for example, let me just go to one of my previous products. You see, like, I put his previous product. The refund is here because of this mastermind group, is because Mark himself refunded me the money after having watched my review. He said he was loving my review, so grateful. He was like, Sylvia, I'm getting you in for free into my mastermind group. I was like, wow, oh, what an amazing guy. All right, so anyhow, let me just show you if I can find the product. Yeah, that's where you're gonna access your bonuses. Go to, no, this one wasn't delivered with bonuses. Let me just check out the product that I actually did get some bonuses with, because I frankly don't care so much for bonuses that I don't buy like a product based on what kind of bonuses I will be offered from an affiliate. I just buy it because I like the actual product. But let me see if there was a product I did get bonuses with. Was there one? Maybe this one, the Pin Bank by Papa. Yeah, there you go. So affiliate, access affiliate bonus. Okay, so that's where you're gonna access my bonuses. All right, now let me show you the members area now, and then I'll show you the upsells, just a few upsells. And by the way, just to show you his, like, you know, score, very important. Okay, on Warrior Plus, which is a sort of like a flea market. You know, it is sort of, because there's so much garbage on Warrior Plus, but we do find diamonds every now and again. I always say that because it is the raw truth, okay? And, you know, products by this vendor, by Mark Hess, are diamonds. Trust me, look at the score, okay? 4.5 almost out of 5. This training, desktop vertical video training, which I purchased myself. I joined the group, which is the OTO number one and only OTO. So got 4-star, almost 5 stars, for goodness sake. You see, now it's 47, guys. Now it's 47. So it used to be on a dime sale. So it's gone up. It's gone up. And he launched this ultimate Facebook traffic hack. Yes, this is for real, he says. I like what he always puts in brackets like this one. Oh, this is hot. It was hot. And some do like it hot, right? Okay, so he has already sold it in 500 plus sales. He only launched it a few days ago. And what a bummer that I am coming late with this review. But hey, better late than never. Anyhow, back to the training course. So this is what you're gonna find inside of the members area, guys. So all nicely scripted as well. 4 videos, you know, just 4 videos, but powerful videos, okay, and value packed, quality. Now, the video number 1 is almost 8 minutes long on how to get started and how it all works, okay.
Using groups in a way to.
So Mark, that's his voice, okay? He's talking about it, how he does it. Sorry.
Hey, that's Mark Hess. Thank you, sir.
Oh, okay, sorry about that. Anyhow, video number 2 is about setting up your traffic magnet. So the traffic magnet, he shows us step by step how to. I even didn't know, because I haven't really been interested in creating a Facebook group in the past, because I thought, oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to be so much engaged. Like involved and, you know, engage with everyone. Do I really want it for now? Maybe in the future. For now, I just have not got the head for it. But the way he shows you here is so sort of like, it requires almost no time, okay, and effort on your part to run this Facebook group. It's really like setting up a website, like you would put in your keywords, and then the Facebook algorithms, because it loves Facebook groups. Facebook itself loves Facebook groups because it keeps people on Facebook, right? Will be promoting your Facebook group. So that's the trick, okay? You've got the script below the video here. So he shows you how to set everything up here in this video. This video is over 13 minutes long. Now, juicing the Facebook algorithm. So he's gonna show you the trick on how to trigger the Facebook algorithm. I cannot reveal too much information, guys, but this tip, this hint is really smart. So, it would not be fair on Mark for me to tell you all that he covers in this training course. But this video is 7 minutes, and this trick does work. It's gonna trigger Facebook algorithms big time. So Facebook will drive more targeted traffic to your group. And in your group, you will promote whatever you want. And here, Mark also shows you in the final video how to use AI, so ChatGPT, for helping you create content. Now, then you would edit it, you would just proofread it, slightly tweak it a little bit, so it's really unique, okay? But ChatGPT is such a time saver. So yeah, he's gonna show you how to use AI to make life easier, as he put it. But yeah, he shows you how to create that first post, how to pin it, how to do it in the most effective way, okay? And then how to create posts and all of that, where to put in the affiliate links and all of the important stuff. Okay, guys, so yeah, check out the sales page by yourself. And now let me just show you 2 upsells. So upsell number 1 will be the desktop vertical video training course, the one that, shows you how to create YouTube shorts. And, it will go so hand in hand with this method as well, because in your Facebook group, you can be sharing YouTube shorts. Shorts are going viral these days. And trust me when I say that I will be on it very soon. And then, so that's number 1. If you have not picked it up yet, you can. So it's going to be OTO number 1. I'm repeating myself, but yeah, OTO number 1. And OTO number 2 is private video mastermind group. So this group I'm already a member of, okay? So guys, if you pick it up from me, find me there. I mean, I will be there. And you can have a chat with me. You can have, you can ask me any questions to do with affiliate marketing. For that matter, anyway, I've got like 2 years of experience. I can, I know a thing or two about it by now. So if you're a newbie, shoot, ask me a question, approach me, okay? I am very, very casual, and I am very, very happy to connect. Connections is everything in this sort of game, okay? It's not a game, but knowing people is so important, making real, genuine connections. Okay, super excited about actually utilizing this method myself. I'll be probably setting everything up this evening. I'm so excited. And yeah, guys, if you want to pick it up, by all means, the link to the sales page will be right below my review. All right, love you, leave you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.